Day 125 in a row. Some days it's not one big thing. It's all the little things piling up. The delays, something you're waiting for, problems, people problems, people pissing you off, plans changing, mostly stuff that's out of your control. And before you know it, you're frustrated, overwhelmed, and carrying tension that you do not know is building. That's why I move every single day. Movement helps burn off the stress and the frustration instead of letting it sit inside my body. Then I use the Coherence Breathwork app to calm my nervous system back down and bring it back down and regulate. Not because life suddenly gets easier, because I need to come back down to myself before I react to the stress and make a fool out of myself. Move the frustration out, breathe your way back down, respond better. Code EricG and for a free trial of the Coherence Breathwork app. Happy Father's Day.